Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer Amazon gift card to Cash App. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, it's important to understand that you cannot directly transfer an Amazon gift card balance into Cash App. Instead, you need to convert or use the gift card in a way that allows you to move the value into your bank or a supported payment method first. Once that is done, you can then add the funds to Cash App. A common method is to use the Amazon gift card for purchases or convert it through supported exchange or payment methods that allow withdrawal to a bank account. After you have successfully turned the gift card balance into cash in your bank, you can continue the process. Next, open Cash App on your mobile device and go to the home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. From there, scroll down and select the Linked Banks option. Then tap on the option to link a debit card or bank account. If you choose a debit card, enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code carefully. If you choose a bank account instead, select your bank from the list and log in to connect it securely. Once your bank or card is linked successfully, go back to the home screen, tap on the banking section, select Add Money, enter the amount, and transfer funds directly into your Cash App balance. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread across the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.